This 2026 RawMaxx GDX 7x14 14K dump with tarp, spreader gate, ramps, etc. is a dump trailer. It is located in Madisonville, Kentucky, 42431 and is offered for sale by Trailer Mart, Madisonville. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new RawMaxx is 14 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2026 RawMaxx GDX 7x14 14K dump with tarp, spreader gate, ramps, etc. is 4,608 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Trailer Mart, Madisonville.